Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be taking you through a process on how I print 50 pieces of burial program for my client. This is what my machine wants to print. Then here is when my machine was already working. After printing inside the burial program, then I print the back of the burial program. Here is the final print. As you can see, it's very clean and very sharp. So in the next day I started arranging the burial program page by page. You need to arrange it well so that it will not turn, because I have a number on the pages. So that is when I was arranging it. Please do well to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also share the video to your loved one. It's time for me to pin the burial program. So here is when I was pinning it. Then after pinning it, and here is the final printing. Yes, is this not beautiful? Look at the printing, very sharp. See you in my next video. Bye.